Thank you. Nearly a year after her death, the family of Mariam is working to make sure what happened to her doesn't happen to anyone else. The Atlanta City Council unanimously approved a new resolution urging the Georgia General Assembly to adopt Mariam's Law. The resolution hopes to help expand restrictions for current sex offenders. Now, this comes nearly a year after Mariam Abdurrab's kidnapping and murder at the hands of her accused killer, DeMarcus Brinkley. Court records show Brinkley spent 7 years in jail for sexual assault and child molestation. But due to a backlog at the time, he wasn't listed on the GBI's sex offender registry, an oversight that Abdurrab's friends and family believe cost her her life.
Initially, if there's a backlog and they're not going to get to these people, we're suggesting that until they are assigned a level of offense as a 1 or a 2, then that ankle monitoring should not come off.
If Georgia's General Assembly were to pass Mariam's Law, registered sex offenders would have an identifier placed on their state-issued ID or driver's licenses. They would also be required to wear an ankle monitor until they can go before the Sexual Offender Registration Review Board for classification. Lastly, any sex offenders classified as a level 3 predator would have to wear their ankle monitors for the duration of their parole. Meanwhile, 27-year-old DeMarcus Brinkley will stand trial in October for her death. He faces charges of murder, kidnapping, and other charges as well.